Here is a short video describing how to change words automatically, as well as adding auto text and macros to Microsoft Word. First off, we're going to start with automatically replacing text. So one of the easiest way to do this is to first go to Alt-T and then A, which brings up the autocorrect options here. You can also do this from File, Options, and Proofing, where you also have the autocorrect options here. So if you had a specific phrase or name or item you wanted to change, such as, say, name, we can make this change automatically to Entraz. Once you add this and hit OK, we'll come back out here to our Word doc and type .name, and it automatically changes to our autocorrect option. This is one nice way of being able to just do an autocorrect. It seems like there's a lot of different spaces you can provide in the replacement. Of course, from here you can't really do formatting, such as returns or carriage returns. One of the other options we have is to go into the Insert drop down, and we have Quick Parts. From here we can do auto text. So if we want to come over here and say Entraz, your source for training your way and training as a service. We can select this particular sentence, come over here to Quick Parts, and we can do the Save Selection to Auto Text Gallery or save the selection to the Quick Part Gallery, depending on how you want to do this. The Auto Text Gallery, we can just simply save it and say Entraz, intro. Now we have the auto text option as well as a bunch of different options here, but for now we're just going to leave it as auto text. It's going to be general category, save in normal. We also have building blocks, which we'll talk about in a moment, and we have specific options to insert the content only, insert into its own paragraph, or if you want to insert into its own page. For now we'll just hit OK. If we need to duplicate this information, we can just click on Insert and then Quick Parts, Auto Text, and now we have our Entraz intro where we can put the information that we selected and duplicated. So if I wanted to do the same thing again, let's make it bold this time. We can save the selection to the Quick Parts gallery and say the same thing, intro bold. Now it's Quick Parts, building blocks, we hit OK. Quick Parts, and it's right here for quick access. So the Quick Part Gallery is on the Quick Parts drop down directly, or you can go to Auto Text, depending on where you want to have it saved. Now with macros, it's an easier way of kind of adding this information in depending on how you want to use it. If you come over to View, we have the Macros option where we can record a macro. In this case we'll do Entraz intro, and we can make it a button, which basically means we create a button up here in the quick bar. So you'll see here when we go into the Word options, it customizes the quick access toolbar, which is right here. If we don't want to do that, keep in mind you're continuing the macro recording, so you have to stop it, view the macros, and you can come in here and delete what you don't want. So we go back in here and record a macro, Entraz intro. Now we're going to have it a keyboard shortcut. So if we wanted to have a new shortcut key of, say, Alt-N as an example, we hit assign, and then close, and now we are in the macro recording. From here, we can look at what we did before and go to Insert, Quick Parts, and then we choose our Quick Part Gallery option. From here, we go back to View, Macros, and Stop Recording. So right now, I'm going to hold Alt and press N. And then it goes through, does the macro, and inserts the Quick Parts Gallery item that we included in that particular macro. So I hope this has been informative. I hope you check out a lot of our other videos on certifications and various how-to videos.